Hi guys, good evening. This is Angel Catalan from Investor Scribe and Unicapital Securities. Um, medyo madaming tumaas na stocks kanina as in parang di lang tatlo yata nagsiling kanina. Pero syempre, karamihan ng mga stocks na yun are, speculative stocks. Ang magandang entry sana doon is kung nabili mo sila at support nila, but then ang problem mo kasi dun sa mga support areas yun, medyo yung iba taon pa bago mag-materialize. Also, pag mga more than 20% na, medyo sobrang taas na ng risk if you're going to buy that stock because um, it's possible na marami na nag-aabang dyan to sell. Diba? For example, I bought the stock yesterday, tapos kumita na ako 20-30%. Diba? Most probably, if you're just going to buy the stock now, I'm just going to sell it to you. So, yun yung mga nangyayari kapag nagkakabusan on third day. Usually, second to third day yan. Tapos, hold siya. Tapos, saka pa lang siya ulit aakit ulit. So, yung mga ganun, maganda sana doon, mag Fibonacci kayo for Fibonacci retracement. So, 38, 50%. Yan. Nice yan, nice yan. What else? So, yeah, as you can see, there are a lot of stocks that disclosed in the PSEI that they have no information with regards to the unusual price movement. Normal naman yan. I mean, diba? Hindi, halos karamihan na ito, wala namang news eh. So, nalalaro na siya. Ayun lang, just be careful that if you're going to play this kind of stocks na meron talaga kayong mga exit and you follow those prices na mag-exit kayo. Kasi, syempre ano yun, risk management nyo doon na hanggang dito lang yung cut ko. 'Di ba? So, wala namang problem. Ang problem mo kasi pag umaakit, hindi mo alam kung lalabas ka na. Ang problem mo naman pag bumabagsak, hindi mo rin alam kung gusto mo nang i-take yung losses na yun. So, yeah. Ang isa pala sa mga takeaway din natin dyan today, mapapansin mo kapag umakit yung stock, pagka medyo nagko-consolidate na siya doon sa certain price, for example, ako kanina I played MG and um, it went as high as 30+% today. So, nung mga 67 na siya, 67, 66.67, 66, yun, medyo nag-start na siyang hindi na, parang nagkakaroon na ng lumalaki na yung volume of those, lang, at that level lang. So, as expected, bumagsak siya ulit. So, ayun. Yun yung mga, siguro yung ma-observe niya during your trading na. Ayan. So, today we're going to check what are those stocks that has yung mga top 10 natin. Pagdating sa changes. 6% na lang siya. Hindi. Yan. So, yan. We have two. Yan. ABA closed 1.35, 50% up. OPM 0.03, 50%. OPMB 0.028, 47.37%. OV 47.37% gain din siya. MAB 45.45%. AR, ito sana habulin ko kanina, siguro mga nasa 15% pa lang siya. Ayan, 44% din siya. So if you bought it at 15% high, you could have earned at least another 30% as well. Then 0.017 for MA, 41.67% up. UPM 0.012, 34.83% up. LCB 0.224, 30.99% up. if you're going to look at this, yung mga volume nila malalaki din. So, siguro isa yun sa mga dapat nyo i-consider if you're going to play speculative stocks. If talagang merong pagsasalin-salin ng mga shares, if there's really someone who is, really buying it and there's someone who is, really selling as well. Kasi yung iba, kaya siya 50% kasi, di ba may mga ganun, may mga isang trade lang, 50% na. So, you might want to look at it also. And then, hindi natin siya dito. Hi. Ganon. So, meron din tayo, let's look at sa top, sa, sa changes muna tayo. Yung mga losers natin, TKC 1.75, down siya ng 11%. Tech B 0.68, down siya 10%. Sun, down siya ng 10.42%. Pero kung titignan nyo to last time, andito na rin kasi sa resistance. MAB mo is MAHB, Metro Alliance B. So, approaching siya sa kanyang mukhang mag-fill gap siya at 2.72. So, ang best time sana to buy this stock is around 2 pesos. But ayun, down siya ng 8% at 3.10, close at 3.10. AXLM, Axalum, down 5, almost 6%. 6%. COL, 4 pesos, down siya din ng 5.88%. Pero ang laki na ng tinaas niyo from 1 peso something last July. Then, Merrimart, 7.37. Pero malaki yung volume niya. Down siya 5%. Let's check at stocks who has really big volume for today. APL, 1.36 billion. Diba? Laki. So, as you can see, masyadong malaki siya and then hindi pa naman siya nagsisiling. So, yeah, you might want to look at this tomorrow. AR, 1.1 billion. MRC, 907.74 million. PHA, bumalik na siya. 833 million. BSC, 703 million dito. Telecom, 660 million but it's down. ABA, 500 million. PDO, 300 million. BPI, 315 million. 327 million for BDO. So, yeah. Parang blue chips lang na ito, dalawa. Diba? BDO and BPI. But ayun, if you're going to play this kind of stocks, please look at the volume as well. Kung marami ba talagang legit na naglalaro. Diba? So now we're going to look at the edge. So ito pala yung PSE edge, guys. Ayan. So more on, ito yun lang yung mga na-check natin this past few recordings. Yeah, but if you have time, you can also check this one. Then yeah. Tingnan natin kung merong, punta muna tayo sa company announcement kung merong mabilis lang. Yeah. So UPM, OPM, AR, OV, ABA, Manila Mining, RFM, wala. So ayan, reply to inquiry of unusual price movement. So dalas naman dyan wala, di nila alam bakit. What's this? JJ Summit. So, may bonds sila, early redemption ng bonds. Due to 2024. What else? Ayan, wala masyado pala today. You can also check here sa Instagram. They have this area for news. So, it's really nice because it is not just simply the what's disclosed in PSEI. So, meron sila sa iba't ibang news platform as well, which is really, really helpful. Parang one-stop shop na din siya. Yan. So, Globe subsidiary, Cascadio wins Managed Services Provider of the Year, Globe. JFC acquisition, shares, Axalum share buyback. Frutas, 5 billion annual revenue for 2025. So 5 years projection. Ayala Land set through investment plan from sale of the 30th. So, ito yung Ayala Land Real Estate Investment Trust. Diba? Meron din sila niyan disclosure sa PSEI if you watch our video yesterday. Uh, let's check. So, the Business World published this PSEI, how its member stocks performed. Ayan. So, these are the PSE index stocks. Ayan. Hindi naman to super hindi naman siya super fixed. So, magkakaroon ng rebalancing. May mga stock na natatanggal, tapos may mga nadadagdag, ganyan. But, ayan, usually sa transactions din nila yan. Volume. Ayan. ACA 25, AEV 45, AGI 10, Ali 10, AP Abatis Power 26 pesos, BDO 109.5, Bloom 8 pesos, 8.18, BPI 84, DMC 5.37, Emperador 9 pesos, 9.95, almost 10. FGen 32, Globe 2,100. JCAP 570, ICT 127, JFC 194, 73.85 for JGS, LTG 13.5, MBT, Metro Bank 48.5, Mega World 4.28, Meralco 297, Metro Pacific 4 pesos and 38 cents, but it's playing around 6 pesos to 3 to 6 pesos. So pure gold it's 37.75, RLC it's 21.40, RRHI Robinson Retail 63 pesos, SecB Security Bank it's 136, SM Investment 1,050 pesos, SMC 125.70, SMPH 39.2, TEL PLDT it's 1,460, URC 158. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 30 stocks comprises the PSEI or the Philippine Stocks Exchange Index. Ayun lang. So PLDT targets more innovative solutions this year. I hope that they will provide better services. Then, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman mababaw lang naman yung satisfaction ng mga Pinoy. Gusto lang natin na maayos yung serbisyo rather than getting international stores to represent themselves. I mean, you do not need to market something that is, a necessity, di ba? But then, wala. They feel like they need to market it para ano ba? Para ma-divert yung attention. Char. De, para siguro hindi maisip ng mga tao na, ito yung issue nila. Oh, sounds familiar, di ba? Pero if you're going to look at its stock price, tingin ko pabalik na siya ulit kasi um, nag-touch na rin siya ng support niya. Saang support? Check natin later after this one. So, East-West, kapon pa, declaration of cash dividends. For this one, we're going to go back here sa edge and we're going to look at the dividends. So if you're like the type of person who is after the dividends, punta kayo dito. Nakikita niyo dito kung ano yung mga dividend rates. May mga nagbibigay ng fixed na dividends. For example, itong may 2B, 2A, MWP. Yan. Kasi mga preferred talaga sila. Pero pag mga common shares, for example, ang basis mo ng price is kung magkano yung doing sa market. Actually, kung magkano rin naman yung doing sa market ng preferred. But then, kasi meron silang base price. For example, ito, nasa 100 to, I think, MWP. Yung SMC preferred shares, usually yan, nasa 75 lang yan. Yan, 101.2. So, yan, nasa 100 lang din to. Minsan umaakit siya, minsan bumababa din siya. So, ibig sabihin, you can earn through selling your shares at the market at current market price, and also via dividends. So, ideally, mas okay kung mabibili mo siya ng mas mababa dun sa base price niya. So, if you can buy it at 99, 98, di ba? May tubo ka ng 2 pesos kasi if they're going to redeem it, they will redeem it at 100 pesos. So, may tubo ka ng 2 piso. But then, if you bought it at 100, then umakit naman siya 116, 114. So, yung 14 pesos, yun yung pwede mong kitain per share. Aside from the dividends. Ganon siya. So yeah, you can check here kung ano yung mga stocks na nag-provide ng mga stock dividends din. Tingnan nyo to sa halts and suspensions. BSC. Nagkaroon sila ng halt and suspension nung December. Let's check. Syempre, may news naman to. Oh, nice. Tapos tsaka siya nag-start umakyat. So yeah, classic example ng may news to for sure. Diba, ang news na December pa, pero ang momentum niya this January na. Ano ba? Unlike kasi sa ibang market, ang stock market ay may ilang kukonting participants, I can say, na basta if you're going to compare to like capital markets ng ibang bansa, kaya nga sila meron na ding short selling or forex for an instance, diba? Meron silang 24 hours sila, diba? Kasi ang participants nila global. Sa atin, dahil konti lang yung participants, kaya kung merong magandang chart dyan, you cannot expect it to fly, to have its momentum right away. Kasi nga, pwedeng yung focus ng mga participants for this certain day, for this certain week or month is on this certain stock. So, it doesn't mean, the good thing about that is that it doesn't mean na mali yung stock mo. It's just that it's not yet what they want to play. Diba? So, ayun na naman. Kasi may maraming stock na ang sarap-sarap bilhin ng mga, yung sobrang baba niya pa talaga. Yung mga tipong hindi mo talaga pinapansin. But then, yung accumulation kasi dun siya i-start eh. Kaya yung mga medyo malaki yung mga rewards, sila yung mga hindi naman pumasok ngayon tas bukas kumita na. Kung mapapansin mo, matagal talaga din silang nag-ipon. Basta nandun sila sa mga presyo na hindi, makikita mo yun eh, makikita mo yung malaki yung volume, pero hindi tumataas yung price. So, bakit? Ganon. Ibig sabihin nun, merong nag-iipon dyan na tao. Jockey, na jockey. So, yeah, I was asked earlier, what is a jockey? Sila yung mga nagpapagalaw ng stocks. Sila yung mga may enough funds to make it move. Diba? Sila yung mga mover talaga. Mga sinusundan nating mga retailer. Usually, broker house siya. Usually, tao na gumagamit ng broker house na yun. So, ang titignan mo, yung mga matatagal na, ang tinitingnan nila usually broker house. Then, yung iba, kung kilala nila kung sino yung mga may hawak ng shares na yun, kasi halimbawa dating director or ganyan-ganyan, or director ngayon, tapos gusto mag-unload na ng shares niya sa market, or may malaking-malaking pera gustong laruin to. Yeah. Pero usually, broker house, may mga broker house na madalas ginagamit to get their transactions done. Yeah. Pero wag nyo, it's nice to know kung nasan sila, but then, you do your job as well. Yan. So, ito yung index summary, follow on. Ayan, guys. So, that's all. So, ayun, basta if you're going to play, kasi tingin ko bukas, ano pa rin yan, seeding play pa din yan. Kasi yung kanina maraming mga umakit ng mga 30% na bumaba lang din. You know, syempre kasi marami nang nag 50% diba? This day. So, antabayanan natin yan for tomorrow. But then if also, please consider looking at really good stocks na dun ka mag-invest talaga. Yung mga hindi lang umakyat lang kasi nilaro, 'di ba? Meron talagang ano, yung in the long run, you know na yung stock price niya will reflect the value of the company. So, ayun. If you're not yet in the stock market, please feel free to use our platform, youtradeph.com, and you can message me at FEC at Unicapital Securities. Ano ba? FEC at... Sorry, I just had my Ayan. So, my email is fec.sales@unicapitalincorporated.com. Ayan, guys. So, yeah, you can also message me there or message us at Investors Crib so we can assist you with your application form. So, our minimum account is at 10K. Yeah. And yeah, you can have it until 1M if you wish to like really do stocks trading. Um, ayun guys. So good luck sa trade nyo bukas and see you again tomorrow.